Alright, 85 million plus wallets, a 4.7 star rating, over a decade in the game since 2015. That's the scoreboard on the screen right now. Today the full walkthrough, buy, sell, wallet, research, reward, plus a live scam warning. Stage of this week headlines, so it's time to scroll in. So headline up top says it's clean. The home of Bitcoin for everyone. No middleman, no complicated onboarding, just buy, sell, trade, store and earn under one roof. Right below, 6 quick launch shells split the whole ecosystem into lanes. Buying a free account, the wallet app, news, gaming and education. Then a trust bar drop. 10 plus years in business. That 85 million plus wallet count, the 4.7 stars, coverage across 180 plus countries, solid proof laid out before a signal real future evil low. Now Bitcoin is trading in the 64,000 range right now, down about 0.8 on the day, throw up slightly over the past week and month. So here's the twist, zoom out a full year and Bitcoin actually down over 45% from 12 months back after topping out near to $126k last October. So funny enough, the sites on Bitcoin versus gold versus S&P. Short claims Bitcoin wins long term. Yeah, that's exactly. Short shows a hypothetical $500 buy from a year ago sitting at $274 today. Bullish copy next to a bearish short. We're sitting with that one. Scroll past it and the full ticker keeps rolling. Ethereum, BNB, and also XRP, Solana, Dogecoin, Monero, Bitcoin, Cash, all updating live. Moving on, the full stock lays out. Binance selling, the wallet app, a free account, and earn and grow section. A reward hub plus an entire ranked index, the best exchanges, wallets, and even crypto platforms. That last one's a nice touch, a built-in comparison layer instead of sending people hunting elsewhere. So into the wallet itself, fully self-custodial private keys, staying local with the site's own copy. Starting flat out that not even the platform can access them. Layer on biometric and passcode locks, plus automatic backup and one password recovery. On the utility side, it's real EVM gateway, ERC20 support, the app connection, DEX trading, NFT access, all built in. Multi-sites in there too. Genuinely useful for DAOs, treasuries, or just familiar managing funds together. So, and for everyone who actually budget their bag, saving and spending wallet, split apart with notes and full history of every transaction. Check this out. The actual buy flow. 180 plus cryptocurrencies starting from as little as $13. 5 steps start to finish. Grab the wallet, verify identity, pay by card or bank, track the order, then spend, trade or hold. Simple enough for a first time deal. Enough not to feel babyish for anyone who's been around a while. Quick question before moving on. Wallet, exchange, research and reward, all seated under one single login. Genuinely safer for a beginner or those bundling everything into one account. Just build one bigger target for hackers. Drop that text in the comments. This one's worth arguing about. Back on the homepage, a reward style promises quests and unblockable perks. So just for using the wallet or referring friends, that ties straight into Verse. Platform's own ecosystem token. Copied deflationary token mix, fueling staking, liquidity pools and yield farming over one Verse DEX with holders gearing into something called the Verse Lounge for governance and early perks. And speaking of live, pulling up the official X account right now, the BIOS currently running 3 things back to back. That's reward center launch, a Telegram trivia night every Tuesday and Thursday with $100 in USDC on the line, monthly for the fastest fingers, and a fresh push around Freedom Dollar, a privacy focused dollar pegged stablecoin on the Zano network that's now swappable directly inside the the wallet. USDT straight to FUSD with an AMA teased as coming soon. So Bitcoin.com own CEO Corbin Fraser has publicly framed the whole privacy angle as less about hiding money and more about protecting what actually matters. That's an active campaign running right now, so not something buried in an old post. Further down, there's a full subscriber research arm dishing out actual alpha. 8 learning categories covering everything from Bitcoin basics to DeFi and wallet security. So, plus paid reports digging into crypto securities law, swap executions, data pulled from 150,000 plus real swaps, and stablecoins growing role backing by US treasuries. So the page also claims a correct 2024 call on Bitcoin hitting 180k, which fair, that did happen, so take every call date claim with the usual gain of salt, but the research library itself runs deep. But yeah, Sinin runs 4 steps. Create or login, connect the account, set up a security key that replaces a traditional password, then load on the dashboard. Clean layout, personalized, greeting up top. This one really saying good afternoon Iltras. So she's fleeting enough. One top button to buy, sell, swap, send and deposit, and also live markets, table sitting front and center, so there is zero digging required to check prices. So that's hero to dashboard price action to a live stablecoin post straight off the X account. Whether Bitcoin.com earns a permanent spot in the rotation is a personal call, but the future set speaks for itself. Smash that subscribe button for more deep dive breakdowns like this one. Every link mentioned today is sitting in the description below, and that Fuel Center versus privacy debate is waiting in the comments. Catch the next one soon.